Hey Chubbies! Welcome to my channel. This is my secondary channel for travel, food, and entertainment. I hope my videos can be your travel recommendation. So sit back, grab your popcorn, enjoy, and don't forget to like and subscribe. In today's video, we're moving from Ubud to Seminyak area. After all the paddy's rice field, now let's have a sea breeze. In Seminyak, we stayed in Kayumas Seminyak. We chose this hotel because Kayumas offers a nice mezzanine room concept with the simplicity but still has a little touch of Bali. As always, first things first is the security check. Now let's find a parking spot. The parking area is not that big. Kayumas Seminyak Resort is a new modern contemporary resort with harmonious traditional and natural exposed walls with artistic natural artworks. This is the lobby area, and the swimming pool is right across the reception desk. It's not my favorite location to swim because it feels like every time people comes to the lobby, they can see you swimming. The size of the swimming pool is quite large though. On the pool bar, they offer gusto gelato with slightly cheaper price than the original outlet. But unfortunately, the flavor is really limited. This area is also the restaurant's area, so you can have your breakfast, lunch, or dinner here. I guess this is the spa area. If your room is far away from the lobby, they also offer a buggy car. We chose to walk because I guess it's not that far. We went to our room like we're walking in an alley because it's located outdoors. What a different concept they have, don't you think? Okay, we arrived in our room. They provide an umbrella in every small porch. Our room type is 1-bedroom deluxe suite, and the room size is 52 square meters. Let's go inside the room, shall we? The floor is using wood, which I like. Behind the door, there's a large bar table with a sink on it. There are also coffees, teas, an electric kettle, and 3 bottles of mineral water. Under the table, there are a few drawers. There is also a tray and a refrigerator. Beside the bar table, there's a wardrobe with hangers and bathrobes. There's a safe deposit box and slippers down there. There's a TV in front of the bed, and in the corner, there is a chair and a small table. The bed is king size. The ceiling is high because this room has a mezzanine concept. This is a working table, I guess. By the way, we had to add 50,000 rupiah. For that 50,000 rupiah, we got extra mineral water, extra amenities, linen set, towel, and the bathrobe. Let's check the plunge pool outside. Every room in this hotel has a pool, but the size is different by the type of the room. In one bedroom deluxe suite type, we got a big plunge pool. In this terrace, there are 2 chairs, a table, and a wooden hanging rack. Because it's a plunge pool, there's no way we can swim here. We are only chilling here. Now let's see the second floor. 2 things we don't like in this mezzanine is that we can't really feel the aircon, so it feels very stuffy, and the lights are pretty dark. There's a small living room in the mezzanine floor. In here, there's a sofa, beanbag, a coffee table, and of course, a TV plus a soundbar. We can see downstairs from here. Last thing, let's check out the bathroom. The bathroom is dominated with the black color and the marble tiles, which makes it very elegant. There's a hairdryer inside the batik string bag, hand towels, and they even provide makeup towels. The amenities is also very complete. Under it, there are towels and laundry rattan baskets. There's a hand soap and a body lotion near the sink. The unique thing is that you can turn on the lamp in this mirror. Ta-da! Now everything looks so pretty. Beside that, everything is just like the ordinary bathroom. They only provide a hand shower and a rain shower, so there's no bathtub here. Sad face, alright people? Kayumas Seminyak isn't a beachfront hotel, but Petitenget Beach is only 400 meters away. So let's go there. Petitenget Beach is the main beach of Seminyak. It's named after a temple of the same name. The beach has a beautiful white sand, and it has a popular sunset. In this Petitenget Beach, there's this spot called Taman di Seminyak. They offer a unique concept of picnic by the beach. We've never been in this kind of picnic before, so we decided to try it. They provide all the picnic essentials, plus a bamboo torch lamp. So we're still able to eat even though it's already dark. We can relax here while waiting for the sunset. We ordered the Kayumas set menu, which is, for the drinks, we got 2 craft cocktails plus a soft drink. Otak-otak, chicken slider, chicken wing, and bala-bala. Honestly, the taste of the food is not that delicious, But for the cocktail, my parents say it's quite nice and refreshing. Overall, this is a nice mini picnic spot to choose if you want to enjoy the sunset. That's all for this video. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe button so I can improve my YouTube channel. Stay healthy, happy, and I hope my videos can be your travel recommendation. Bye!